Good morning, class. So, today we are going to read the lesson number 2, and the lesson number 2 is a poem whose name is When Frankenstein Was Just a Kid. When Frankenstein was just a kid. So, in this poem, we are going to read about a kid, a child whose name is Frankenstein. Before reading this poem, I want to ask you some question. My first question is, which is your favorite dish? Which is your favorite dish? Okay, everybody have some different likes and dislikes. For example, many of you will go for the option as pizza or burger, but some of you will go with the option as cereals or pulses, etc. So in this poem there is a boy whose name is Frankenstein, who loves to eat green vegetables, and its poet is Ken Nesbitt. Its poet is Ken Nesbitt, who is an American poet. So let's come to the poem. It is the poem So there is a kid whose name is Frankenstein, as I have told you before also. Frankenstein loves to eat the green vegetables. What does he loves to eat? Green vegetables. When Frankenstein was just a kid, he ate his greens, it's true he did. That means Frankenstein was a boy. When he was young, he used to eat the green vegetables and he loved to eat that. He ate his spinach, salads, peas, asparagus and foods like these, and he loved all these green vegetables, whether it can be spinach, salads, peas, asparagus. Asparagus is a green vegetable. In Hindi we call it as shatavari. What do we call it in Hindi? Shatavari, asparagus. It is a green vegetable. And with each leaf and lima bean, his skin became a bit more green. So he was eating the vegetable of lima bean. Lima bean is also a green vegetable. In Hindi we call it as same ki fali. So lima bean, he was eating the lima bean, and his skin became a little bit green. Which color? Green color. So after that, on chives and curd he loved to chew. On chives and curd he loved to chew, and Brussels sprouts and peppers too. He loves to eat chives. Chives is also a green onion leaves. And curd. Curd is a vegetable with large leaves. It's also a green vegetable. He loved all these, and he also used to eat the sprouts. He loved them too. Until he ate that fateful bean that turned his skin completely green. So he used to eat these all green vegetables, and one day there was a bad effect. What was the bad effect? There was a bad effect that his skin became green colored. His skin became green colored. He turned all green and stayed that way, and now he frightens fox away. Fox is used here for the peoples. So after that, his skin became green colored. His whole body became green colored, and he doesn't get changed after that. He stayed that way, and now people used to frighten with him because everybody looks like a human being, and we have skin color, specific skin color, for example whitish skin color, dark skin color, or a fair skin color, but he had a green skin color. So poor Frankenstein, his tale is sad, but things need not have been so bad. So that boy whose name was Frankenstein, it's his tale which is very sad, that he was in green color. It's fair to say if only he had eaten much less celery, avoided cabbage, ate no kale, why then we would have a different tale. The poet want to say that if Frankenstein doesn't used to eat all that green vegetable all the time, maybe there is a chance that he would not have become in green color. He could be same as we are. So mom and dad, I am here to say, please take these vegetables away. So the poet is just using this poem, want to give a message to his parents that he don't want to eat more green vegetables, and asking him to take that green vegetable away from him. Or my fate could be just as grim. Yes, I could end up green like him. Or he fears that he can also become green in color if he would eat all these green vegetables. So mom and dad, before we dine, please give a thought to Frankenstein. So he is just warning his parents that if they would give him green vegetables to eat, then one day he can also become green colored skin. Okay. So after reading this poem, you can also use this poem for warning your parents even, but it's a bad habit, I think. Most probably good one is you should eat the green vegetables, but in sufficient amount by which you can easily digest them. Otherwise it can be harmful for you. So this was the poem. You have to read it and you have to learn these glossary words. Asparagus means shatavari, lima beans means same ki phali, chives means green onion leaves, cod, and cod means vegetable with green leaves. Sprouts you have already read in science. Fateful, and fateful means having a bad effect. Okay. Frightens means scares or scary. Celery means ajwain. It's also a green leaves which is used to make any soup or chutney, or we can say even vegetable also. Next is kale. Kale is also belongs to cabbage family. It's also vegetable. Then grim means terrible or something which made us sad. Okay. So you have to learn all these glossary words and try to find out the pictures. These vegetables, for example asparagus, lima bean, chives, cod, sprouts, you have to see the pictures from the internet. So here the poem ends. So we will meet again in the next class. Till then, bye bye.